Hi guys, today we will talk about how to accept challenges using these weapons on the application of Sololearn app. You will go to this application. In this page, you will go down to click in this window of profile. Here in this page, you will go to above to these three dots. Then this list, you will go to settings. Here in this list, you will click in this window of manage challenge weapons. And as you see here, you can accept challenges using these weapons. Here you can choose Python or Java or anything you want. Here you can accept it like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.